Hi, and welcome to my show. So this one is about the exhaust pipe. So I've installed a new exhaust and Sherwin did an absolutely great job. Have a look.
So I'll just chop it here so we can get this tank against.
Yeah, and just to also keep the exhaust just a bit away from the tank, otherwise we'll boil the fuel.
That's right. So where are we trying to go through? In here. That actually would look really good.
Yeah.
So where I've noticed where the exhaust is running underneath the shocks and the spring, it looks like there's a rubber underneath there. Would that?
Oh yeah.
Is that where
that
it would
is
be?
literally to stop it from
hitting
the.
So our exhaust can't be in there. Is what you're saying?
Yeah. I've got to just see if I can pop those two pipes off. They've just got a friction fitting, so I've got to WD-40 in there. Try and loosen it. I'm going to have to hit it. Maybe I might even have to hit it up, or Sherwin will. And then we've got to get those pipes off so we can put new pipes on. At this point we realized that muffler is way too long and it's not going to fit in this space. Damn it!
So maybe I'll just cut a V down here and shoot it off from this point.
Yeah.
Hit it that way.
Yeah. So what Sherwin does here is he marks it out on his metal table and then he just puts it on the thing that he's worked out there, weld it up, and just manufacturing like that. And so we had to buy a new muffler. So this requires a lot of fiddling. And to create space for Sherwin, I had to take the spare wheel off.
That's wonderful.
First time I've taken the spare wheel off. That's very cool.
It's not a one-man job though.
Yeah. The trick apparently is getting it back. Getting it off, easy. Getting it back,
Lighting
not
those
so
holes
easy.
back up.
So this is the new muffler. Hopefully it's a modern muffler and works better. The welding that Sherwin's doing here is TIG welding, which is creating an arc and then it fills in with that little rod that he's holding. And it's designed to do this kind of work, very fine, very beautiful welding. And it's finished. So the next thing is to try and fit it.
Your right if you can, like away from you. There we go.
Yeah, but then how are we going to get it underneath this?
Probably, yeah. Keep going forward. Yeah. Try it maneuver it.
Yeah, there we go. At this point we can see there's a couple of spots that we'll have to change.
From here we'll try and take
Go
it
up and then
higher.
and then chop that pipe in half where it's at the top there next to the rubber, and then do it down.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that should be fairly straightforward, just like bang bang.
Yeah.
I mean it's not straightforward, but doable.
Yeah.
And that should do that.
Yep. Now I've had that machine since I've started, well, probably 3 years. It's like a third-year apprentice. So I've had that for like 12 years. Never had a problem.
My philosophy on this build is to let professionals do the critical parts of turning the Unimog into an expedition vehicle. And as my skills improve, I will do more of these things myself. I do love working with people though. It makes this a much more rewarding experience. Over the next few weeks, I will do a lot of smaller things on the Mog until Sherwin can fit me in to weld the base for the box on the back. I'm very much looking forward to starting that. Thank you for watching my channel. Please press the subscribe button below, and next to it, when you click that, the bell appears. Click on that, it'll let you know when the new video comes out. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And underneath, you'll find details to my Patreon account and details to Sherwin's business. He's really, really good at welding, and if you need something done to your Unimog, go to Sherwin. Bye.